Well, hello. Did you know that learning a second language has incredible benefits to your brain? One of the questions I'm often asked is, Sita, I'm not young anymore. Do you think I can still learn? I find it difficult. This is it, exactly. Learning a second language will improve your thinking skills, your problem solving skills, your long term and short term memory. It will give you discipline. It encourages the brain to continue working. And recent studies have found that people who learn a second language, not only English, of course, have lower chances of having dementia and Alzheimer's disease, which is a very serious disease. So if you needed any more encouragement, why to continue learning English as an adult, here it is. I'm going to put down the links to a few scientific articles I found about this topic. Very interesting. So keep pushing, keep trying, and continue learning English. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget to share this video, save it, and I'll see you next time.